So in this video, I'm going to show you the best underrated pocket option strategy around town. So I'll show you how to set this all up, but let me explain first. So essentially, it's a very simple strategy. You set up two indicators, the Parabolic SAR, okay, and then Supertrend indicator. Very simple indicators. Let's go over here, and it's right around the end right here. This one here, okay. So how this works is when you see a buy, right, all you do is just click buy. If you see a sell, all you do is click sell. Very simple kind of movements, okay? So you just see, you do. Very simple, okay? And the strategy has around a 7% win rate. You won't get 100% with any strategy, right? But this works best with stocks, I would say. It's less effective with less other forms of assets, but it's decent with stocks, I would say. I've had some pretty decent success with stocks, I would say. So as you see right here, sometimes it can rebound up. So it's not guaranteed. Sometimes when I see the sell or buy, it does stagnate up and down for a little bit. So that's why I personally do the 1 minute trades. However, I do know a lot of people with success with the 15-second trades as well. So 15 seconds trades is basically you see the sell and then you just go right in and you just take advantage of this like small little pump right here. Okay. The 1 minute trade's kind of like, it's a kind of a longer horizon, but that's what I prefer personally. It's really up to you. So now to set this up, you'll have this as the base setup, right? So basically, you want to do 10-second candlesticks, set up the two indicators like I discussed, right here, and then all you want to do is just choose the 1 minute time frame, and then go over here, the 4 charts. Very simple, very easy. And then all you'll do is just keep track of where you see buys and sells. Okay. So when you see a buy, buy. When you see a sell, sell. Okay. It's really not the most advanced trading strategy, but it gets the job done if you want to make some decent profits without too much complications. Okay. So all you have to do is just wait and see. So this can be the best strategy because if you wait and see, what happens is you'll be able to get in as quickly as possible. So right here, quickly as possible, but right when I saw that kind of buy sign. So as you see right here, it's stagnating up and down, which is why you need the 1 minute trading, which is why you need the 1 minute time frame right here. Okay. So if you chose the 15-second time frame, you would have most likely lost this one. But with the 1 minute time frame, you generally have a slight edge over the 15-second time frame. Okay, 15-second time frame, I think you probably might have won here. I think it would have been this candlestick potentially. Depends where you would have landed on this candlestick. If you were unlucky, then you might have ended up below here. If you were lucky, you would have ended up above here. Okay, so here we have 15 more seconds. Okay, decent chance of winning this one. Okay, but of course, don't let emotions control you if you do lose it. And voila. Okay, so very simple trading strategy. I could have gone to this one. The thing with this trading strategy is you don't want to get in too late. I think this one popped up around here, so it's about 4 candlesticks too late, 4 or 5 candlesticks too late. So you don't want to get into too many of these, and this one might have been a loss either way. As you see right here, it's now pumping back up. However, now it's going down a little bit, so it could be decent. It's really up to your risk tolerance if you want to do it or not. But that's essentially the trading strategy. You just get in right when it says buy. You're getting right when it says sell. You have 4 popped up, and you just wait. Okay. If you have multiple monitors, that's going to be ideal. So if you have, let's say, 4 or 6 monitors, you can see 4 on each screen, right? And all you do is you just wait to see where each pops up. You of course have to use some common sense with this. Some traders, they also pop up some other indicators as well, just so they get extra certainty. And if you want to be very safe, I wouldn't trade. Let's say it's trending downwards a lot and it has a buy, right? I wouldn't do that buy if your risk tolerance is lower. Okay. If you just want to follow the strategy exactly as is, just go with it. But that's the strategy in a nutshell. Now, if you want to trade on pocket option, becoinnet offers a 50% off on your first deposit. When you click this link right here, you can also go to brokers. So go to becoin.net/pocket option, /review/pocket option rather, and then click this link right here. So this will immediately give you a 50% welcome bonus after you deposit. Okay, and it's really good to trade because it only requires a $5 minimum deposit, and the payouts are really great, better than almost every other binary options trading platform. Okay, and if you don't want to trade with, let's say, any money, first off, you can just trade out with a demo account. So if we can see right here, start with a demo account, and then when you're ready, deposit some money in. Okay. Now, if you want to get extra certainty, sometimes I'll also pair my trading strategies with the live predictions of becoinnet. So they are fairly accurate. It depends on the day. Some days they're a little bit less accurate, some days some more accurate. So I've seen this go upwards of 85% accuracy. I've also seen this go downwards of a 59% accuracy, something around that, right? So it does vary day by day, but you can see the live accuracy of each and every kind of asset right here. And you can also choose the time frames as well, because it's ideal for day traders. Okay, so I like to choose the 1 minute or the 5 minute indicators typically, if those are kind of the trading time frames that I personally use. Okay, so go over to becoinnet, sign up with the pocket option, and if you want, you can also use it as an additional indicator for you. Have a trade.